Cek cek 1 2 3 cek. Rockstar Game. Red Dead Redemption. Gila, nge-lag guys. Salju.
Abigail says he's dying, Dutch. We'll have to stop someplace.
Okay, Arthur's out looking. I sent him up ahead.
If we don't stop soon, we'll all be dying. This weather, it's May. I'm just hoping the law got as lost as we did.
There. Arthur! Any luck?
I found a place where we can get some shelter. Let Davy rest while he... You know. An old mining town. Abandoned. It ain't far. Come on. Come on! Yeah!
Chapter 1 Coulter. Bacanya apa sih? Coulter? Coulter?
him in here!
Miss Gaskell, get that fire lit, quick. Miss Jones, bring in whatever blankets we have. Mr. Pearson, see what we've got in terms of food.
Davy's dead.
There was nothing more you could have done.
What are we gonna do? We need supplies.
Well, first of all, you're gonna stay here, and you are gonna get yourself warm. Now, I sent John and Micah scouting out ahead. Arthur and I, we're gonna ride out, see if we can find one of them. And this, just for a short bit. And I don't see what other choice we have. Listen. Listen to me, all of you, for a moment. Now, we've had, well, a bad couple of days. I loved Davy, Jenny, Sean, Mac. They may be okay. We don't know. But we lost some folks. Now, if I could throw myself in the ground, in their stead, I'd do it. Gladly. But we are gonna ride out, and we are gonna find some food. Everybody, we're safe now. There ain't nobody following us through a storm like this one. And by the time they get here, well, we're gonna be long gone. We've been through worse than this before. Mr. Pearson, Miss Grimshaw, I need you to turn this place into a camp. We may be here for a few days. Now, all of you, get yourselves warm. Stay strong.
Bullshit anjir.
Stay with me.
Stay with
We ain't
me.
done yet. Come on, Arthur.
All right.
Melek guys,
Got some
gila.
work to do.
We ain't run into them yet, so they both must have headed down the hill.
Sure. Hey, I ain't had time to ask.
What really went down back there on that boat? We missed you. That's what happened. Come on. Oh. Hey, you need horses? Oh, yeah. Hey, Mr. Smith, get yourself indoors. You need to rest that hand. I'll live. Get indoors, son.
Buset. Patah-patah banget, gila.
We need you strong. Okay.
Kita dari nol guysnya.
All right. Let's head out.
Gila ini gara-gara salju anjir.
We have to try. Stay close. We'll do our best to stay.
GTA 5 ya kalau hujan nge-lag anjir.
Goddamn weather. Been 2 days or more like this now. Oh, it has to blow over soon. Careful over this bridge here. Can't believe we lost Davy, too. He's the last one, Arthur. No
Last
more.
one. No more.
We need to get those people warm and fed. At least we don't need to worry about Pinkertons tailing us in this. A couple more days, we'll be on the other side. You need to help me pick the others back up. You're the only one I can rely on to stay strong right now.
No.
Hey, I think I see something up the path. You up ahead. Who's there? Micah.
Gentlemen,
Nah, ini nih.
Found anything?
I think so. Found a little homestead down that way.
Okay.
Anyone home?
Sure. Place is blazing with light and noise. Sounded like a party.
Let's go see.
Follow me.
Party,
How's Davy
gila.
doing?
He didn't make it. Nor did little Jenny.
That's
Sound
too
like a
bad.
party.
Davy
Ini
was a real
apa sih,
fighter.
lupa gue anjing nyari
Both of
makan ya.
them calendar boys is, or was,
Yeah,
and Mac, Sean,
we don't know.
quite a business.
I'm
Gila.
glad you're all right, Micah.
Always. Ask him if he's seen John.
Hey, have you seen John, Micah?
Didn't see much of anything once this storm came in.
He hasn't seen him.
He'll be fine. Things always turn out right for that boy.
I hope Mac and Sean are still out there somewhere, too. Hey, Arthur, let me take the rear. You move up.
You sure about this, Micah? Mr. Morgan, I never thought I would be so pleased to see your face. Been kind of lonely out here. Where's everyone else? Old mining camp, back up the hill. Huddled around a fire, waiting for Daddy to put food on the table. Said it before, we got too many mouths to feed. Okay, let's keep it down now, gentlemen. It's just up ahead.
Ngerem. Anjir, hampir ya. Gak bisa ngerem, cu.
Okay, let's head down there.
Gas.
Let's hitch up here. Let me handle this. We don't want to spook these fine people.
Belum.
Someone's having fun in there.
You two, get yourself out of sight. One lonely man is a lot less intimidating than three nasty-looking degenerates. Arthur, in that cattle shed on the left. Micah, get down behind that wagon in front. Hello?
Shut up, Billy.
Excuse me? Hello? Oh, well, hello, friend.
What you want?
I am very sorry to disturb you. My friends and I, well, we got into some trouble up the way, lost in the storm. Gentlemen,
We can't help you, mister.
I got folks
Arthur,
dying on the trail.
Arthur, we got a problem. There's a corpse right here.
Now, I just
Arthur,
need some
there's a
cans of
body
food
in the
or
wagon.
something.
I hear you. Just
Ntar.
keep your eyes on.
Gak ada bensin.
I think you should... Buddy.
Now, friend, I ain't asking for much. Please.
Gila, keren banget bomnya. Bentar, astaga. Akhirnya ada motor.
You sons of bitches! One of them's making a run for it.
I said I'd handle this.
Didn't seem to be going too well.
Looting dulu lah.
Bristol boys here.
Nggak bisa lagi.
I don't know. Maybe same reason as us.
Micah, go bring the horses closer to the house. Arthur, let's go search the cabin.
Smells like a party in here.
Turn the place upside down. Grab as many supplies as you can. We need the essentials. Food, medicine, whiskey.
Looting dulu ngap. Looting.
Looks like the poor bastard was
Rata.
married too.
Rata kiri.
If we can't eat it,
Nggak ada fotonya, nggak ada mukanya.
down.
Perasaan dulu ada apanya deh di sini.
I don't believe it.
It's a strange one, all right. Maybe they're hiding up here too. There's a big price on Colm O'Driscoll's head. Nearly as big as the one on yours.
Wanting Colm dead is about the only thing me and Uncle Sam agree on.
Oh, I'm starving.
You should eat something now. Get strength up for the ride back.
Place is dry and warm. We could maybe move the women and Jack down here.
Maybe. We'll see how they are when we get back. I don't really want us to split up.
Big old pool of blood on the floor here.
I saw.
Probably the poor bastard who lived here. Micah found a dead body in the wagon outside.
I'm going to start packing the horses. You keep looking. Meet me out here when you're done.
Lumayan. Udah, nggak ada apa-apaan.
Micah, Arthur, keep looking for stuff. Arthur, go see if there's anything in that barn. Micah,
Berisik, nyuruh-nyuruh aja.
Sure.
Anjing, kaget maksud.
Bastard shot my cousin! Well, he started it. I'm gonna break your neck!
What's going on?
This guy just jumped me!
Oh, did he now?
Sneaky little bastard. Should I kill him?
No. Not yet. Find out what they're doing here and where Colm is.
Oh, this son of a bitch will talk. Where's Colm O'Driscoll?
With the others. At an old mining camp southwest of here. Near the lake.
What are you bastards doing? Why are you up here?
Iya.
We're fixing to rob some train. Gonna blow the tracks.
Merencanakan
I don't know more than
perampokan
that, I
kereta.
swear.
Well, I would say it looks like you have this, Arthur. Do what you want with him. I don't care. But bring that horse when you're done. Oh.
I don't know anything else. Please.
Cok lah. Ninggoy kan lu.
Good boy.
Anjay. Gila. Lag.
Still in there?
He's dealt with.
Good. That looks like a decent horse. You should keep him. Tie him up over there, Arthur.
Micah, what the hell are you? Whoa, look what I found in the cellar. Wild thing ate ya.
Leave her alone.
I wasn't doing nothing. She's one of them O'Driscolls.
No, she ain't, Michael. Look at her. Miss. Are you...
Oh, you fool!
Bodoh sekali.
It is gonna be okay. We mean you no harm.
Kan jadi
Miss.
kebakaran.
Come on. It'll be okay. We need to get out of here, and quick. Come on now. Oh. You okay, miss?
They came 3 days ago. And my husband, they...
Okay. Miss, you are...
Ntar guys. Sorry kekencangan anjing suara gamenya. Segini lah ya.
Safe now. And you can't stay here. You come with us. Arthur.
Miss, it's okay. We're bad men. We ain't them. It's okay. Get on. We'll keep you safe until you figure out what you want to do.
What's your name, miss? Miss.
Adler.
Adler.
Sadie Adler.
Sadie Adler. Mrs. He was my husband.
Sian,
Somebody's coming. Looks like it's Dutch. Hey, everybody, Dutch is back.
How'd you get on?
Micah found a homestead, but he weren't the first.
Wait, masih kekencangan ya?
O'Driscoll and his scum, they beat us.
Setting audio sound volume segini lah ya.
To it. We found some of them there, but there is more about, apparently. Scouting the train. Thank you.
That's the last thing we need right now, Dutch.
Well, it is what it is. But we found some supplies, some blankets, a little bit of food, and this poor soul, Mrs. Adler, Miss Tilly, Miss Karen,
Wanita yang
warm
malang.
her up, give her a drink or something. And Mrs. Adler, it's gonna be okay. You're safe now. They turned her into a widow. Animals.
Nah, sekarang gini,
I need some rest. I haven't slept in
penjahat
3 days.
bandit ya bandit aja. Gak usah sok-sokan nolongin orang anjay. Sampai bikin ini nih. Ini kalau di Jakarta nih jadi kelurahan nih.
How come Arthur gets a room and I get a bunk bed next
Satu
to Bill
kampung anjir
Williams
isinya
and a bunch
penjahit
of
semua.
darkies?
Get yourself to bed.
He ain't been seen in days. Weather ain't let up.
He's strong, and he's smart.
Strong, at least. Hello, Arthur.
Abigail?
Arthur, how you doing?
Just fine, Abigail. And you?
I need you to... I'm sorry to ask, but...
It's little John. He's got himself caught into a scrape again.
He ain't been seen in 2 days.
Your John will be fine. I mean, he may be as dumb as rocks and as dull as rusted iron, but that ain't changing because he got caught in some snowstorm.
Please go take a look. Javier?
Yes.
Javier, will you ride out with Arthur to take a look for John? You're the 2 best fit men we've got.
Now?
We're pretty worried about him.
I know. The situation were reversed. And he looked for me.
Thank you.
This way. Last I know, John was headed up the river.
For all we know, he kept riding north and never looked back.
He wouldn't leave. Not like that.
Wouldn't be the first time.
See some smoke. Come on, let's take a look.
Let's hope it ain't more of O'Driscoll's boys.
Well,
Wait.
seems somebody left. Recently. And that way.
Sure, well, come on then.
There's some tracks leading to the river. Not that way. Whoa. Let's cross. See, they continue up that way.
Horse health display
Tell
lower.
me.
Oh,
Tracks for sure, but could be anyone. Let's just see where they lead.
So, you were
We had the money. It seemed fine. Then suddenly they were everywhere.
Bounty hunters?
No, Pinkertons. It was crazy. Raining bullets. Take it slow. Big ravine here. Dutch killed a girl in a bad way. But it was a bad situation.
That ain't like him, though.
Tracks go left, down here. Davey got shot. Mac and John, both shot too. Sean, we don't even know. I'm surprised we escaped at all. By the time you boys showed up from the other side of town, we were only just holding on.
Bad business, all right. Damn snow's coming in hard again.
We'll lose these tracks if we don't move fast. Watch yourself. It's not very wide here.
Come on, boy. Horses are struggling.
Yeah, a lot of fresh snow here.
I don't know about this, Javier. We can't follow nothing.
Let's push on a little bit. Maybe we'll pick up the trail again.
Almost there, boy. Come on now.
Hey, look! Over there! You see that? John was riding that horse when we left Blackwater. Let's see if he can hear us. Come on! Up there! Yeah! He's coming from up ahead somewhere. I don't think we can go much further on the horses. We'll have to walk from here. I'd grab that shotgun from your horse. Who knows what's up ahead? Getting that gun then? Down this way. It's slippery, be careful. Nieta, that we're high up here.
You're telling me. You sure about this?
Over here!
It's coming from this way.
Okay.
Careful here. Watch your head here. okay from here.
Watch your step. This is real slippery. Watch your step. This is real slippery.
Stay close to the wall. Up this way. Come on. That sounds closer now.